Today's video, I'm going to be replacing the Toyota Sienna oil pan gasket. And the reason why we're going to be replacing the gasket is because you can see that it's leaking. Spilling oil everywhere. So you can see it's all wet. So we're going to go ahead and replace it. First thing you're going to do, get it on ramps or jack and jack stands. And we're going to drain the oil. Alright, 14mm drain plug. And what's holding the oil pan on is 12 mixture of nuts and bolts. So we're going to go ahead and remove all 12. I forgot to record it because I was struggling with it. All I did was take a chisel and or a flathead from this back side, because this is the only area that you can actually have a hammer and a screwdriver and or chisel. And I got it right here in this corner, pried it up just a little bit, and once I did that, I was able to pull off the whole pan from the back down, and then just I was able to get fingers in here and I was able to pop it down, and it just comes straight out. So now we're gonna go ahead and take this over there to clean up all this old goo, or the old gasket. And we're going to do the same thing on the sealing surface right here. Alright, even though what came off of it was a gasket maker, what we're going to put on is this cork gasket. And it's a Felpro. Here's your part number. And all the holes lined up, it's oriented correctly so we know it fits. So now we're going to go ahead and put the new oil pan back on the car. So now with the drill, I'm just going to bottom out all the bolts and nuts just to snug them up. Then we're going to torque them. Alright, the torque is 8 foot-pounds. The torque is 30 foot-pounds for the drain plug. So now this motor takes 5 quarts, so we're going to go ahead and put 5 quarts. So now you're going to go around the edge, making sure you're not leaking anywhere. And then if you're good to go, you're done. And that's how you replace the oil pan gasket on these Toyota Siennas. Hopefully this video helps you. You'll have a good one.